from a man I swore I'd never be. No one ever has to face tomorrow, but I'm the one that has to face me. It's the demons I've created for myself, the tragic truth. It's hard for me to understand myself, so it has to be hard as hell for you, for you. Are we born to be broken sinners and someone tell the heavens I'm ready to escape.
Come on, guys, I am at the, oh my god, the lake.
Okay, fine, I'll stop.
With
Our destination anyways.
with my friend Ashley here again, right here, and yeah. So we're at an arcade, and yeah, we kind of just arrived here, and then like we ate, and then like we're like, come on, let's go, and I'm just like, I'm okay, and yeah.
I've created for myself the tragic truth. It's hard for me to understand myself, so it has to be hard as hell for you, for you.
Sorry, I'm bugging.
Shut up and try.
Swim away.
Swim away.
You're she can't ever go straight. She's not.
Oh, shush.
Sorry.
I can't say the devil made me do it. I chose to be the one I am, the way I am today. I wish there was, but there's no way around it. In the end, I made the choice and will not die. Oh, well, imagine as I'm pacing the pews in a church corridor, and I can't help but to hear, no, I can't help but to hear an exchanging of words. What a beautiful wedding, what a beautiful wedding, says a bridesmaid to a waiter. Yes, but what a shame, the poor groom's bride is a whore. I chime in with a haven't you people ever heard of closing a goddamn door? No, it's much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of poison ration.
Riding a little kid's freaking thing, I don't even know. And riding around the golf cart currently with Ashley here with a beanie on her head. Smells like smoke. We're going to the arcade. I'm not going to record that. I don't feel like it. Just recording for today. But yeah.
And move along in hopes that the next stage I will clear. Fucking past, asshole. I'm just trying to keep from dying. It's just a game that we play, and for heaven's sakes, looking for a better way to play it. Life is for giving score, and forevermore. Stop.
Well, we're on the golf cart and we got a little pug. And this is following us, so yeah.
We're following them.
Now we're following them, says Ashley.
Today I went to therapy, told him my embarrassing issues that I'm having with my life. He told me that I need to change, life is not a video game, so stop playing and open up your eyes. I'm just trying to keep from dying.